What is that? What is that? Is it a kitchen? Daddy put it together last night. Let's go look at it.
This is what was in the box that Grandma sent you.
That's right, Grandma sent you the kitchen. Want me to hold Vader? What do you think?
Want me to give you the tour? So, now this is all pretend, so it's totally safe. But this is what you pretend to be your sink. Turns the water on. This is your pretend microwave. Yeah, see? Real working opening and closing doors. Right. It looks like this is your dishwasher and this is your oven. Okay.
Sure, I'll turn the oven on
This
too.
is your refrigerator. Oh yeah, you can turn the oven on like this. Huh? It makes clicky noises. Look. You just turn it far enough and it makes a clicky noise. Huh? Look at that. It comes with storage. Oh, Popworth. Hey, what does this say? Right here. What is that? Yeah, whose name is that? What's it say? She's distracted. I can understand.
I want to make a phone call. Do you want to make a phone call? Elise, there's a phone. Right here.
Yeah, right here.
Can you make a phone call? Pick it up. Straight up.
You go straight up.
Hello.
Okay, and now this is old school, so the dial pad is here. You go beep, 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 and then that's how you call people. Right?
What do you think, kiddo?
Isn't that nifty? And here's more storage up here.
That's our freezer.
Yeah, check it out. If you want to cook something, you put it up here, and then you go like this. These are little clicky things too. Click, click, click.
Pull.
Just pull harder. You grab this and pull. There
Yay!
you go. Good job.
And there's new stirring things in the sink.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, the phone. Look. You put it on top. See? Oh yeah, you can use it. Well, to show you where it goes.
She wanted to do it herself. Good job. Here, Elise, look in the sink. What's in the sink?
Oh yeah, there's stuff in the sink.
You can stir with the stuff in the sink and cook.
It's a world of kitchen adventure where you can make believe food.
Here, Elise, look, see?
How fabulous is my hair right now?
It's wonderful.
I'll get a get out of the shot.
Oh, you want me to help you? All right, come here. Or give it to Daddy. He'll help you open
You want
it.
to open this? Okay, watch. You see this? You got to turn it. You got to turn it counterclockwise,
And pull.
and then it comes off.
You stir? No. So much to do. Elise, do you like your new kitchen? She's so distracted. Apparently she does.
Concentrating. Awesome. You can make some of your own sound effects.
That's right. That's your sink.
Hey, look what you have over here. You have your own towel. So you can dry off your dishes or wipe off your counter.
That's right.
Or wear it on your head. You pretend you're the Sheikh of Arabi. Song reference.
What are you going to cook for us, Elise? What are you going to cook?
How about this, Elise? This whole kitchen is from Grandma. She bought it for you as a present. Can you say thank you, Grandma? Can you
Over
say
here.
it for the camera?
Elise,
So we can send it
over
to her?
here. Say thank you, Grandma. Well, she's distracted and happy, so.